In this video, we'll be talking about graphing a parabola from the standard form of the equation. If we're given the standard form of a quadratic equation, f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, we can find the axis of symmetry for the parabola with the equation x equals negative b over 2a. Then since the vertex is on the axis of symmetry, we can find the y-coordinate of the vertex by substituting this x value that we just found in number 1 back into the standard form equation, and that'll give us our y value. Once we have our vertex, then we can use graphing techniques, specifically stretching and shrinking by a multiple of a, to find other points on the graph. Let's look at an example. In this example, we'll be graphing g of x equals negative 3x squared plus 12x minus 8. We can get a is negative 3, b is 12, and c is negative 8. Our axis of symmetry has the equation x equals negative b over 2a. So x equals negative 12 over 2 times a, which is negative 3. This simplifies to negative 12 over negative 6, so x equals 2. This is our axis of symmetry. We can draw that in. Remember, x equals 2 is a vertical line through 2. Then, since our vertex is on the axis of symmetry, we just need to put 2 back into our equation to find the y value of the coordinate of our vertex. So y is equal to negative 3 times 2 squared plus 12 times 2 minus 8. Y is equal to negative 3 times 4 plus 24 minus 8. This is negative 12 plus 24 minus 8. So our y value is 4. This means then that our vertex is at the point 2, 4. 2, 4. Now our lead coefficient is negative 3, so that tells us that our parabola opens down, and the y values from our basic graph will be multiplied by negative 3. So if I go right 1, I need to go down 3. And if I go left 1, I need to go down 3. Now normally if I went right 2, I would go up 4 because y equals x squared, 2 squared is 4. But I need to multiply that 4 by negative 3. So that means when I go right 2, I need to go down 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Also, when I go left 2, I need to go down 12. So down 12 would put me at -8. Now you can also ask yourself, what is the y-intercept on this equation? If we let x equals 0 to find the y-intercept, this term would be gone because x equals 0 makes that term go away. This term would be gone, and you can see that y equals -8 is my y-intercept. So that's another way to check and make sure everything's good to go. So our parabola